How are grooved connections made? First, put on the rubber ring. The second step is to connect the pipes. Align the upper and lower pipes. The third step is to turn the rubber ring to the pipe joint. Adjust the position of the rubber ring. This step is crucial. If the position is not correct, it may cause leakage. The fourth step is to apply lubricant to the rubber ring. The fifth step is to put on the clamp. Finally, tighten the bolts.